After this video, all these 2 minutes noodles will be a thing of the past. Hello guys, welcome to the Shankari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is a place you need to be because this is where we discuss anything about herbs, spices, and any natural recipe you can think about. So it's a very good place you need to be. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't lose anything in this channel. Also, don't forget to send me thumbs up and then share this video for others to see. Okay, share it. To my returning viewer, I thank you all. I love you. I cannot thank you enough. Okay, so today I want to quickly talk about cloves. Okay, I want to talk about cloves. So after this video, all these 2 minutes noodles will be a thing of the past. Okay, so now this is cloves. This is cloves. Cloves enhances blood flow, increases libido and performance, better erectile function, and also good for fertility. So that good for fertility for both male and female. So one of the benefits of cloves is that it enhances blood to your jugular. Okay, so now once you have a good blood flow, it will help enhance good jugular and keep it standing. So that is it. So what we need is good blood flow. So once there is good blood flow to the jugular, it will remain standing. Okay, so go and try it out. It will definitely work for you. Cloves is something that is common. You can see it everywhere, both in the market. You can see it. All you need to do is take 2 of these cloves, just 2 of it, eat it before bedtime. Eat it before bedtime. Okay, do it continuously. You will definitely see the result. Cloves is very, very powerful. Go and try it out. There is power in nature. Okay, I keep saying it. There is power in nature. All these little things you are seeing, they have what they can do in your body. Okay, so there are other things we can actually do with cloves, but I'm going to be taking them one by one so that I don't get you confused. Because I discover a lot of people don't go through those videos, so that's why it's okay. Let me be making it on a particular subject. So today we are taking the one of good jugular. All right, so thank you all. See you all in my next video.